I have always heard that the Tokyo Metro was so confusing. Today we're going to talk about the app that made our navigation so easy and a simple way to pay for our tickets. Hello and welcome back. My name is Amy Moncure. If you're looking for concise travel videos full of practical tips and useful information, subscribe and click on that notification bell. Let's get started.
Instead of buying tickets for the Tokyo subway and metro, I like to use a Tokyo Metro card called a Pasmo or Suica card. I think using the Pasmo or Suica card is easier because you can load the card up with the money and click the card to enter and exit the metro gates instead of buying a ticket for each ride. Not only that, if you buy an individual fare ticket in Tokyo, you need to know how much the fare costs from one station to another when you purchase the ticket. You can buy your Pasmo or Suica card at any Tokyo subway or train station and at convenience stores. I recommend buying your card at the airport train station when you first arrive. Just look for the Pasmo or Suica machines. Using the machines is incredibly easy. There is an English option with instructions to buy your card. You can reload your card whenever it is running low at any Pasmo or Suica machine. Just a heads up, these machines only take cash. The card will cost 2,000 yen to purchase, about $20 US. 500 yen is for the deposit, and 1,500 yen is for travel. You can use the Pasmo or Suica card on any subway, local train, or local bus. You cannot use the card on express trains, the Shinkansen, long-distance buses, or airport shuttles. Now that you have your card, let's talk apps. Hyperdia is my favorite app to use on the Tokyo Metro system. It's free for 30 days. I can enter my beginning and end station, and the app will show me which line to take, the direction, and which station to exit. At the station, I would look for that same line and direction that Hyperdia listed. I also love being able to set what time I want to depart. The trains stop running at 1 a.m. in Tokyo. Being able to set the time, I could make sure that I could get back to the hotel before the train stopped running. It's also important to know that the subway, metro, and train lines are owned by different companies. That's why when you're in a station looking at the map, you'll only see the stations for that line, not all the stations. If you fly into Narita Airport is about 60 kilometers from the center of Tokyo. Taking a taxi into Tokyo will be expensive. We can use our Hyperdia app to find the route from Narita Terminal 1 to Tokyo Station. Hyperdia directed us to use the Keisei Skyliner to Napori, then transfer to the JR line to Tokyo Station. Airport signage will direct you to level B1 of Narita Airport, where you can buy either your Keisei Skyliner or Narita Express ticket at the ticket counter. If you transfer at Tokyo Station, you can use your Pasmo or Suica card to use the metro. Let's look at the stations you'll need while visiting some of the great places in Tokyo. For each of these places, we also have a more in-depth video in the description below. Meiji Shrine, the famous Shinto shrine dedicated to Emperor Meiji. Exit Harajuku Station. Shibuya Crossing, the busiest pedestrian intersection in the world. Go to Shibuya Station. Tokyo City View in Roppongi Hills, go to Roppongi Station. The Robot Restaurant and Samurai Museum in Shinjuku, go to Seibu-Shinjuku Station. Ginza, Tokyo's luxury shopping district, go to Ginza or Yurakucho Station. The Sengaku-ji Temple, famous burial site of the 47 Ronin, go to Shinagawa Station. To take the Shinkansen to Kyoto or Osaka, go to Shinagawa or Tokyo Station.
Please leave us a comment with your Tokyo Metro tips. And if you want more concise travel videos full of practical tips and useful information, click that red subscribe button. Next stop, Kyoto and our favorite monkey park. Until next time, cheers.